All right. If anybody happens to be watching, welcome. I am just trying to get all of my stream stuff ready for tomorrow. So no SS2 stream tonight because I got to get this stuff working. And last year I remember struggling to get the polls to show correctly. So I'm going to try and correct that today. So you have to bear with me. It's going to be a very boring stream. Just going to be hanging out and trying to make sure this all works. We got to test sounds first of all.
Maximum crabs!
Hey, Colin, did you hear maximum crabs? Because we have maximum crab on screen today for sure. Oh, why can't I grab my crab? Nope, that's not my crab. Undo. Where's my crab? Come here, crab. Where are you? Crab. Got him. There we go. Hello, folks. Hello. Okay, now you guys brace yourselves. Does this work over the stream? And is dancing crab working? Dancing crab is just me puppeting with my mouse. Unfortunately. I haven't yet figured out how to make dancing crab animation. I got to figure that out next. I need to turn that into a button on my Stream Deck.
Maximum crabs!
All right, so now I got to figure out this poll stuff. So let's hear, because what we ran into last year was I kept trying to swap out the polls, and then I would miss things, and it was just slowing stuff down. So I think what I may end up doing different. I might try. If I can figure out a way to swap them quicker, I will do that. Otherwise, I may end up doing just have all the polls live, and then we'll just like bring attention to one at a time and close them off one at a time, as opposed to me trying to get them to come back up. But I remember there was like a problem last year with them updating fast enough. All right, let's do a test alert. Let's see if this works. Test alert. 10 cents. Very cheap donation. Oh, it won't let me. Okay, $1. So now we got to see if, hold on, Mr. Crab, you're blocking the view. You know what we'll do? Hold on. I have the overlay. Maybe I can hide my monitor since that's not useful for this. There we go. So what we want is stuff to appear on the overlay. Right now, you guys should just see like the bar at the top that says 0 out of 2,500, right? Is that all you guys see right now? Don't want to be rude, but spin that crab. This one?
Maximum crabs!
There we go. Okay, so now, I see, hold on, what if I save changes? So I see an alert on my Tiltify screen, but I don't see it showing up on the overlay, which is a problem. So I can figure out why that is. Alert box. Oh. I just heard a sound effect. I heard a clap. I heard some clapping. Let's see, what else do we got here? Blink. You guys see the top bar and QR code. Okay, why is nothing else working? Let's see here. Oh, I know what it is. This is the problem we run into. If I update the overlay in real time, it doesn't update in. It doesn't seem to update on Streamlabs for some reason. Fresh crash of current page. Let's see. If we hide it, well, I got the following notification. Okay, let's see here. Open source properties. Let's see here. Control audio via Streamlabs desktop. Use custom frame rate. Refresh cast apparent page. Yeah, I think this is the problem we were having. I couldn't get this stuff to update in Streamlabs, and I don't know why. I'm glad I'm doing this tonight, not tomorrow while I've got guests. Okay, well, let me try adding something else to see if it shows up. So let's see here. What else is on here? Classic overlay, position, event list. All right, how do I try? Let me try and enable the polls. All right, so let's go back to this. Go to our incentives, polls. I'm just gonna start enabling these polls. Let's see. So active, 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 active. Let's just enable them all and see what happens. Okay, I think I got them all enabled. So now we go back to our dashboard here. Back, sure, save changes. Back to campaigns. We want to go to 2026. Branding, overlays. Click on basic layout. Okay. Oh, I wonder if the polls only show up when somebody votes on them or something like that. All right, let me set this background and save change and see if this pops up on the layout. No, that's not showing up. All right, turn that off. That's not doing anything. Opacity 0, save. Okay, let's try test alert again. Test alert. Within the editor, it will not appear on the live overlay, but we want it to appear on the live overlay. Send test. Top donation, Vivian Baston. Okay, let's see if I have a Tiltify connector for... Hold on, I'm going to move this to my full monitor since I'm not streaming it anyway. Let's see here. I mean, I'm at least thankful that we have this stuff working. Like
Maximum crabs!
We've got our crabs. Okay, let me see this. Maybe this alert box has something. Let's see. Tiltify donations. Test widgets. There isn't one for that. All right, what is this? Try the new simplified. Hold on, if I go plus alert. No, I don't want to do that. Try the new simplified alert box settings. Let's see what this does. Okay. No, simplified one takes away my Tiltify. Don't like that.
Oh yeah!
Okay, did you guys just see that? It's like Kevin donated $8. Did that show up on screen with an oh yeah?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Kevin with 64. Way to be, buddy. This is not the same icon though. I have one of the Ron with money. Let's see, where's that one at?
Oh yeah!
Okay, super chat is the correct one. Okay, Phil, you saw that. Fantastic. Okay, but it's still not the. I don't think it's the right widget is the problem. All right, we may have to go to. We may need to go to Google for some help here. Let's see. All right. Or we'll go to our friend ChatGPT. How do I test Tiltify donation integration with Streamlabs desktop? Because it looks correct in here, but the test button has everything except Tiltify in it for whatever reason. Okay, let's make sure our Streamlabs, okay, settings, web dashboard, go to settings, integrations, Tiltify link. Okay, let's make sure that that's all set up. So close that. Oop, oop, oop. I just moved something I didn't mean to. Get out of full screen so I can see. Okay, let's see here. We need to go to, where's the settings? We use settings, integrations. That is not a thing. Oh, go to the Streamlabs web dashboard. Okay. Where is that? Let's see. Dashboard. Dashboard home. Okay, that opened up a website. That seems like a strong start. Right, let's move this over here so I can see. I wish I had a third screen. I really wish I had a third screen. Okay, let's see here. Where did that go now? Here we go. Streamlabs dashboard. Okay. Sure. We don't want to leave a review. Thank you. Okay. Settings, integrations. Let's see if we can find that. I can't even find settings. Let's see. Let's see account settings. Okay, let's see. I don't see settings on the web dashboard. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send it a screenshot of my dashboard. This is where one of the things where AI is awesome for. It's just like, I don't see it. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. You can't do this in a Google search. ChatGPT, look at my screen. Tell me why I'm dumb, please. What am I missing? Jack Kirby can. Sorry I'm late. Here's a fun bug. If you are getting a Preston Radiant quest and it's a kidnapping quest and it's Quincy Ruins, the game will default to new location you made for chapter 3 where the nuclear missile is. Oh, that's so funny. We'll have to figure out how to fix that. Okay, they got a name. The name is wrong. It's under account settings, integrations. Here we go. Tiltify. Oh, my account's not linked. Maybe later. Authorized Streamlabs to access account details. Authorized. Integration error equals true. But why? Maybe later. Let's try again. That's interesting. Okay, let me make sure I'm logged into my Streamlabs account here. Settings. No, don't log out. Why would you log out, Tiltify? Don't log out. Don't log out. Okay, hold on a second. It's a. I'm going to have to get rid of the print screen button real fast here. Okay, so we get this screen. Then I get an error. Print screen. All right, let's put that in Paint. Try and read what this error is. I know you guys can't see my screen. That is intentional. That way I don't have to worry about hiding personal information right now while we figure this out. Resulted in 401 bad request. Request is missing a required parameter. Uh-oh. I wonder if I can do this manually. Just throw a post. Let's see. Okay, my Twitch is set up. My YouTube is set up. General subscriptions, no. Okay. So this might. Why is this broken though? I know this is a popular platform. You would think that it would be working out of the box. Tiltify link maybe later. Oh, something happened. Something different happened that time. I don't know that it was good, but something else happened. That's always, at least we get different things feels good. All right, account settings, integrations. Let me try this again. You go away, error, link. Skip this thing. Error linking integration, but why? tiltify.com. Okay, we're definitely logged in there. Okay, let's see here. Tiltify. I wonder if Streamlabs is doing, like, Streamlabs has their own charity app. I wonder if they're just not bothering to support other ones now. I mean, that would be pretty bad. Like, if that's what you're gonna do, then get rid of the integration. But this is just not working. Actually, hold on. Let me try going to a different browser. Maybe I got like some bad cache data. Wait, you guys just saw a donation come up on there? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Did the thing finally update? Okay, no, I'm not seeing one there. Okay, hold on a second. Delete you. Let's get a new Firefox browser up. All right, let's go to Streamlabs dashboard. Log in. Do I remember my login? Of course not. Of course not. Give me a minute here. Wait a second. Do you guys still see a giant crab on the screen? Because if so, that is not correct. All right, let's see here. Streamlabs. Okay, well, at least I remember the correct email address for it. Let's see if I can log in. Sure, save that. Okay, I made it into that dashboard. All right, let's log into Tiltify here. Sign in. Wait, what is my login on here? Okay, that's the same one. Okay, logged into Tiltify. All right, let's go back to here. Account settings, integrations, Tiltify. We don't want your Streamlabs thing. Waiting for Streamlabs. Okay, integrations error is true. Yeah, so it's still erroring out. Okay, so Streamlabs just doesn't correctly support Tiltify anymore. That's not great. Okay, close you, close you. So it means we're back to trying to fix the Tiltify overlay is our only out here. Okay, you guys don't see the crab. That's good, because there shouldn't be one right now. Otherwise, I've lost all control. Okay, let's shrink this down a little bit so I can see more. Okay, we may have to just force this with an actual donation. Let me just donate $1 and see what happens. Donate. Donate now. I mean, we can. Let me see what happens if I do it on the poll. Let's do. We will do. Check out. Other. There we go. Okay, $1. Sure. All right, so in theory, this should come. Go away. Go. Stop. Stop it. This should come up on the overlay. Do you guys see a kinggath donation on screen? If so, we've made it one step closer. Now, we didn't get a sound, which is a bummer, but I think I can fix that part next. I see it on the on Streamlabs, but I don't know if it's made it to you guys. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's see if I can add a sound directly to that, since it's not happening in from the Tiltify connection. That seems to be broken. I wonder if this is a Tiltify problem, not a Streamlabs problem. Like if Tiltify is just kind of like not kept up with their APIs and stuff. Let's see. Alert box. Oh yeah, but so for their sounds though, I can't do custom sounds on their website. Ugh. Okay, so that means I got to go back to Streamlabs again. See if we can figure it out there. So I have 2 problems left to solve. I got to figure out how to get the actual polls to show up on screen, and then I need to get the alert sounds to work with the Tiltify stuff. So alert box is the first thing. Actually, hold on a second. Let me see. I wonder if they added their own custom Tiltify source now or something. No, it doesn't seem like it. This is as a software developer, like stuff like this is very frustrating because it's like why isn't there all of these should just have a test button on them, just click a button, put it on the screen. This is very like 101 stuff. let's hide that for a second. All right, did it actually save my settings? It did. Okay. But still, I don't have a test Tiltify option. Oh, I guess that actually makes sense that the Tiltify alert box is not working because the Tiltify integration isn't working. Actually makes a lot of sense. So it doesn't matter that I have it set up in Streamlabs because Streamlabs and Tiltify are not talking. Wonder if there's like a new charity in town, like a thing that does this kind of stuff. Oh, nice, Phil. Appreciate the little prompt there. Probably a good one to have on quick thing. Oh, that's the other thing I got to set up. Hold on, I got to set up the charity bot too. Put that on my to-do list. Charity bot. Nightbot will be trapped in our channel again for for a year. Oh no, go away, go away. Editor, where's it at? There it is. Okay, just got to a weird screen. I couldn't see any of my buttons. Yeah, so I'm going to be going quiet for long bouts of time here while I read, trying to figure out why this isn't working. Not going to be an exciting stream. Going to be a lot of just. Can you hear it now? Can you hear it now? How about now? Can you hear me now?
Maximum crabs!
Okay, I think I got a poll to show up on screen. But as I remembered, it is awkward to do. Requires like going to a bunch of different screens, which would be fine if I had a guy in a chair with me to handle all this stuff, like somebody who's just focusing on it. But doing it while talking to other people is going to be real painful. Okay. All right. And usually there's like a little thing in the corner top left that will show like the last few donations, and that's not working anymore. Let's see. Let's go to my campaigns 2026. Dashboard donations. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so if I hide the overlay and then put it back in, it seems to replay the little quest line little animation of the poll popping in. I want to see if I can take advantage of that. Let's see here. If I switch the poll, how did I do that before? Here we go. Poll type select. Save something else. Now, if I come over to the poll here on this, if I hide the overlay and bring it back up, shows motivation now. Okay, so I could toggle it on and off that way. So potential workflow here. Let's see, it would be go to Tiltify. Okay, that is one potential way we could go. That kind of works. It's a little bit janky, but having it documented will help. So I can just like, if I get stuck, I can just go look at it real quick on the screen. So let's see, charity notes or charities streaming notes 2026. Okay. All right, so the sound is the next one I gotta kind of fix. I guess it's not the end of the world to not have the sounds. Actually, oh, wait, what was I saying? Do I have them disabled or something? That'd be pretty goofy if I forgot to re-enable the sounds. Okay, I don't even see alerts under the sound options. Alert box. I guess we didn't see the RON come up on screen, so it doesn't actually matter. It's not working. Okay, so we have one of our, how many problems? Hold on, I typed up a bunch of problems I have to solve. So we've got 2 of our 4 things solved. So I need to figure out the donation sounds yet. I gotta get Nightbot working again and hopefully not stuck permanently in my channel like it was last year. It turned out I had enabled Nightbot on several different accounts, and I didn't realize I had so many accounts, and I finally figured it out, which is why he's been gone for a bit. We got to invite him back. Hope for the best. So now I'm just going to figure out how to get alert box talking to Tiltify. All right, we're going to try something else here. Okay, let's see. Oh God, hold on. My cursor just went crazy. All right, let's see here. Stream for charity. Okay, let's try sending that off. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so I can see a Tiltify thing set up on my alert box on the web app. What does this do? Launch app test.
Oh yeah!
Oh, I think that worked. Did you guys see that come on screen? Kevin donated 74 via Tiltify.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Is it playing two sounds or is that my imagination?
Oh yeah!
Sounds like it's playing it in stereo, doesn't it? Or is that just me? Oh, hold on. I know what it is. I've got a projector version of what I'm listening to. All right. Do you guys, well, I got to wait for your chat to catch up. You heard it echo? Okay. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can get this echo to go away.
Oh yeah!
Nope. That still had the echo for sure. Okay. We're making progress.
Oh yeah!
I mean, I guess it's not the end of the world if I can't solve the duplicate sound, but I would like to. Now this is only one half of it because this gets me the. Okay, hold on a second. This global settings. All right, let me drop the. Okay, I'm gonna drop that volume way down and see what happens.
Oh yeah!
Okay, Tiltify donations, media. Oh, it didn't save my sound change. Okay, so it must be that the web thing has the override on it. Why is it playing twice? What if I turn off the default donations? Done. And then we go. I need to shrink this so I can see that screen again. Okay, and now we'll test it again.
Oh yeah!
Nope, still there. Still duplicated, but why?
Oh yeah!
Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna do. Okay, did you guys hear the? Did you hear the sound? So if my theory is correct, then my next test is gonna have oh yeah and over top of each other. Let's see. Nope, just duplicate that sound. Okay. Okay, interesting, interesting. Change media, uploaded files.
Oh yeah!
There's oh yeah. Okay, oops, what did I just move around? I don't. There we go. All right, grab this, bring this here.
Oh yeah!
Okay, we have it still duplicated. It's like echoing. So I'm trying to figure out where that second sound source is coming from. Okay, I just need to close some windows. I have too much stuff going on. I'm losing track of all these tabs. Not me. I don't overdo it with tabs ever.
Oh yeah!
Wait, now my screen. Come on. All right, we don't need this monitor. We don't need that screen. Let's try this again. I'm trying to monitor my sound output. Okay.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh, you know what? I wonder if the issue is it's playing over my desktop for testing it and also playing over the stream and I'm hearing it back to myself.
Oh yeah!
That actually sounds better. Well, whatever's happening now seems like it's basically fine. Make sure I'm not monitoring my own stream. All right. Well, it seems a lot better now. Okay, so now it seems to work from here, but is this actually getting its data from Tiltify? And that is what I don't believe is the case. Connect platforms, go to settings, integrations. Okay, it's not actually, they know what that thing, it looked like it was like a expired token. I wonder if there's a way on here I can force the authorization to be terminated or something. Let's see. Developers, no. I mean, I guess I could make my own custom app. That would be a little extreme to do in the next 12 hours, but okay. That's not going anywhere. Let's see. to think I need a desk, I'll just make one. I do, yeah, 100%. So one of the things I've been doing lately is as I get exhausted by software as a service. Are you guys familiar with the term enshittification? It's a fantastic term. I have decided I'm going to start deshittification. And when an enshittification, for those who don't know, I'm going to keep saying because it's a fun word too. It's the something that tends to happen to most services, but it's very noticeable with software services. Is they hook you in, take out all their competition, become the dominant, and then they just start either nickel diming you or making the software as worse, the worst version it can get away with before it loses mass customers. So just over time, to maximize profits, you tend to see that services decline. That's enshittification, and I am getting tired of it with certain things. And so, like have you guys ever heard of Doodle? Doodle was a very cool. It's a doodle.com, and it's and you would go there and you would set up like a group poll, so you could like set up here's a bunch of potential meeting times, and you would just email that to people. They would check in all the times that could work, and then it would report back to you what time was best for the majority. Nice and simple tool, easy to use. Now when you go to it, it has like it's got a paywall for part of it. It's like if you go over a certain number, you're just getting spammed with ads. It is just a mess. It is so hard to look at. So today I just wrote my own. I'm like, screw you. We're gonna deshittify this group polling. And if I can figure out a cheap way to host it, I'm going to make it public and just give it to all my friends so that they don't have to deal with this nonsense, because it's horrible. And there's too many software as a service out there doing this. The other one is where they get you. Trello did this years ago, like 10 years ago. Used to be free. Trello is a very simple program. It's basically just columns with to-do notes, and you can drag and drop them between the columns. And it's nice and easy. It's nice for project management to get a visual of your projects. I use it for all my projects. And they switched at some point about 10 years ago to a pay per seat per user license. Fine, they're trying to get big business. The problem is that as soon as you go over their free cap, you go from $0 per month to you have to pay for everybody on your team. So like if I have a project where I have 10 people working on it and I add the 11th, now all of a sudden it's $110 a month, which that's insane. There's no piece of software is worth that much money. So you may be seeing a Kinggath Creations Trello alternative popping up as well. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of it. Because none of this is hard to make. This is like software you can write in a week. This is not stuff that deserves. I think what happened is like somebody made this, some software engineer made this stuff, got a business person involved, and then the engineer just supports it, and the business person is just running it into the ground with this nonsense. Anyway, end rant. Let's get back to this. But now I'm thinking, like, I wonder how long it would take me to write my own Tiltify integration for Streamlabs. Yeah, this does not seem like it's going to work. I feel like maybe what's going on is that like Streamlabs is clutching to an old auth token or something, and I just need to figure out how to clear it. But I'm afraid to clear my cache because I don't want to destroy my Streamlabs setup. Okay. We're gonna try something here in a second. Okay, so I am going to we're gonna try and solve this problem because this feels really stupid. So give me a minute while I figure this out here. Let's see, I need to go to my campaign. And this should be my fundraiser ID number. I'm looking at the Tiltify API to see how much work this actually would be. All right, and then we're gonna need to find my sound file. Okay, where do I store that sound? Wait, it's this one, right?
Oh
Wait a minute,
yeah!
that's not it. That's not the one. It's a different one. Where did I stick it? Oh, crap. Stream Deck stuff. Oh, we got all sorts of sounds in here. It's funny, I have a folder full of maximum crab. It's just labeled maximum crab. It's just full of people saying maximum crab. I really hope we get some more. We're gonna need. We should be getting. We can try and get a new one from Wes tomorrow, and I'll see if I can get Lear to do it as well. Okay. Oh, you know what I'll do? Okay, so I'm stuck right now trying to find where did I store this sound of the Ron because it's stashed the way that this is set up in Streamlabs. It's like I can't have access to my own file, which I don't like. Where are you? Where are you hiding? Wait, oops, wrong window. Hold on. Oh no. And you guys can't see what I'm oh knowing about. I just keep clicking on stuff by mistake. Okay, where are these hidden at?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
URL copied. Okay, so it's probably just stored on their server. Let me grab this URL, paste it in. Let's see. Okay. All right, and now we need to. Okay, we got our Tiltify campaign ID. I found my wave file again. I re-downloaded it from Streamlabs. I'm sure I have a local copy somewhere, but you know, just trying to save time. Okay, and then what is this donation template? Okay, we're gonna try something here. So we're gonna go. Let's see. Add this as a Streamlabs browser source. Okay. Sources. Where's browser? Browser source. source. Add existing source. No, I want a new one. Cancel. How do I add a new one? Oh, here we go. Add a new source instead. Okay, so this is going to be tilt. Oh, no, we want, yeah, Tiltify API. Here's our URL. Okay, and now we need to do, let's see, run this little mini server. Okay, that failed. All right, why is that failing? Do I need to set up a new API key? Let's check. We're just gonna make our own plugin. It's gonna be real hacky. I'm doing something real janky. I'm just using like a Node.js server to ping Tiltify to see donations, but that'll work. That'll work. More crab.
Maximum crabs!
Okay, no, we don't need Docker right now. You go away. I wonder if this is not my camp. Oh, I didn't do a token. Oops. Hold on a second. Tiltify API token. Oops. No, close this. Okay. Stop. Okay. All right. I gotta just figure out how do I sign up for an auth token for Tiltify. Looks like developers. Okay, let's try that. Developers.tiltify.com. Getting started. Create a Tiltify account. Yeah, I already did that. Okay, let's create an app. Okay, create application. Here we go. App name. Let's see. It's going to be KG Charity. Redirect. What do I need for redirect UI? Where's this actually going to go, though? I guess it's just going to my local machine. Let's see here. I guess I can just, we'll just do 127.1, see what happens. Let's see, ping to get alerts. Let's see. okay, it says I can be localhost. Okay, sure, we'll make it localhost. There we go. Okay. All right, we got our client ID, we got our secret. Did I put them in the right spot? It does look like it. Okay. Okay, let's try running this node server again. One existing donation found. Oh, it worked. We got it. Okay, hold on. Let's see here. We got our first thing. We got our API connection. Okay. Now, let's see. How can I test this? Because I don't think anything happened on screen, and we definitely didn't hear a sound yet. So let me try. Let's see. Let's try forcing. Let's do see if I can send it like a fake donation or something to the node terminal. Let's see. This thing. All right, how about this? It doesn't seem to be doing anything. But did my node? No, the node server didn't catch it either. Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Oh, whoops. No.
Oh yeah!
Okay, let me move this over here. Okay, so I have a sound source set up now for my donate. Come on. Grab you. Wait, startles you. Are the sounds working and I just don't realize it? Hold on a second. Hold on. Where did my thing go? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna test my thing.
Oh yeah!
Oh, there it is working. I wasn't monitoring it. Okay, we got this. Okay, hold on. So we have a little we have our API connection. I can do this.
Oh yeah!
That was so easy. All right, hold on. Now I need to get the image to work. We're just gonna circumvent this stupid Streamlabs problem. We're gonna make our own overlay system. Deshitification, one app at a time, guys. It's all it'll take. Okay, so I guess the next thing I gotta do is figure out how to show the GIF on screen since the Tiltify alert's not working. Let me find this. So we'll go to alert box, Tiltify, media, and then I will just wait, where to go? Change media. Okay. We want the ronmoney.gif. Copy link. Wait, that didn't work. Oh, do I have to paste it in as a file? Hold on. Paste that here. No. Copy. Paste. No. Why is this not pasting? Paste. What is this copying doing? All right, I guess I'll just search my computer for the Ron Money, as this is called. Let's see. Yeah, unfortunately, I failed to keep backups of these in an easy to find place because I did not expect. Oh, I didn't expect to be. I didn't know I'd be doing this charity for 4 years running. So it's not in documents. It's just sitting in my downloads folder. All right, where is Ultra Search? Yes, I want Ultra Search to run. Ultra Search is old. Ultra Search is best. This is another one I got to deshitify. Ultra Search. This app used to be amazing, and they made it bad. On my H drive. Let's see. Don't see it anywhere. Okay, hold on. What if I go to my, close out of this? We will go to our dashboard and see if maybe it's stashed up on the server. Oh, I think I found it. Okay, hold on. It is, wait, no, that's the thumbnail. But maybe if I just drop the thumbnail from it, it'll work. Hold on, let's try this. Get rid of the word thumbnail and the folder thumbnails. No. How about, is it gallery? No. Maybe They've got these hidden away, which is very unfortunate. All right, let me check, because I'm pretty sure that Erica made these for me. Let me check my chat history with her and see if they're just stashed away in there, because Discord somehow doesn't seem to ever delete anything. That's why I was wondering how they make money, or how they don't go out of business. Let's see. Oh, let me check my Google Drive as well. All right, the run money.gif. Ooh, here it is. Looks like it's on my Google Drive. Streaming notification. Oh, there's a whole folder of this stuff. Hold on a second. Yes, there it is. There it is. Okay, wait, where is this? We want to go in the streaming notifications folder. Ah, I found them all. All right, download. Man, I got to keep these secure. Can't lose these again. All right, that was a lot to just find an image. All right, close all these. Let's go to our. You know, I'm gonna back these up to my personal drive. Let's see, where's my streaming folder? That is not it. Do I have a YouTube folder? Yes, there we go. YouTube channel. There we go. Okay, downloads, streaming, notification, gifts, the run, and KG Sturgis. That's it. All right, let's go ahead and stash these up here. And then I will copy this into pictures. Promise tomorrow will be more entertaining. That's why we're suffering today so that tomorrow can be good. Okay, and then we've got our thing here. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's go back to the code. Okay, let's reload our thing here. Grab our GIF file. Okay, and then I probably need to reboot the node server. Yeah, terminate you. We will relaunch it. Okay, and then we'll run another test and see. Hold on, I need to be able to see this. Shrink you, close you. Close this. We don't need this. All right, ready? Here we go.
Oh yeah!
Okay, it played a thing on my screen, just not where I wanted it to be. Hold on a second. Where is my Tiltify API? Did I not set this up to render? Let's see. Because you guys can hear the sound, right? You're not seeing the icon on screen. It does have an echo. Okay, I think we can fix that. We can fix. Oh, you don't. Wait, no sound, no icon. Okay, hold on. Let me play it one more time, just to make sure. Okay, so playing the sound.
Oh yeah!
Did you guys hear that? And did you hear it once or twice? The sound is fine. Okay. Sounds like it's coming from a tube. Okay. Once, no echo, no icon. So you guys are all hearing different things here. All right, we're going to do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah!
Maybe echo, maybe not. We're not sure. All right, hold on. I'm going to test something. I'm going to mute it on the API and make sure I don't hear it.
Oh yeah!
Okay, no, I'm still hearing it. So hold on. Okay, there. So now I'm going to unmute it. Refresh.
Oh yeah!
And then we refresh.
Oh yeah!
Clear, no icon, no echo. Okay, a little bit echo. Okay. Okay, let me reboot the node server again. Okay, close you. Relaunch the bat file. All right, and then we will go to.
Oh yeah!
No, I'm not seeing anything show up. I hear it. I'm just not seeing it show up on the overlay. Oh, hold on. Maybe I gotta refresh the cache on this thing. Refresh cache. All right, and now let's do another test. All right.
Oh yeah!
I think I see it. It's got a blue background, but it's there. It doesn't have the text yet. Did you guys see that? Did you see the RON pop up? Are we making progress?
Oh yeah!
Okay, icon on blue box. Okay, we're making progress. All right, now I just got to figure out can I add a, let's see here. I need to add some sort of filter. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to remember how I had, because we did that for a reason. We put blue backgrounds on them. Had something to do with the way Streamlabs thing. It has like a green screen type thing you can do. Let's see if I can figure this out. Hold on a second. And is the volume too loud on the oh yeah? Should I drop it down? Chroma key. That's the word I was looking for. I gotta figure out how to do the chroma filter. Yeah, thank you, Zuzu. It's a little louder. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna cut the volume in half, and you guys tell me if that's too low or too high. So let's run another test, because that's really quiet to me. But I actually am okay if it's quiet to me, because that's probably actually, it won't distract me as much when I'm talking to folks. All right, making some change. Oh, terminate. Yeah, terminate that. Let's. All right, I'm going to try and do like a test. So the API, I think, sends me all the donation information, so I should be able to display it. Let me see here. Pretty quiet. Well, we want to jump scare you guys a little. Hold on, we'll go to 75% volume. Okay, let me rerun the node server. I'll have to I can polish this up off stream. I just want to make sure that, well, you guys aren't watching me anyway. You don't see what I'm doing. But I'll tinker with it some more maybe tomorrow. I just want this to like basically run, and I'll feel confident for tomorrow. All right, so here we go again. We're gonna do another test. This is gonna test the volume again. And we're gonna test okay, so this is testing a chroma filter and testing to add text.
Oh yeah!
Don't think that worked. I don't think either of them worked. The sound came in. I heard the sound, but I don't see any of the other stuff up. So, all right, hold on. Let me set up a separate test URL for this.
Oh yeah!
No, that's still not working. Okay. Let's see here. All right, let me try the config file again. All right, I gotta. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I have the chroma key wrong. Let me bring up Photoshop. Okay, let me bring this GIF up. Actually, can I? Yeah, I can open a GIF in Photoshop, right? It's gonna give me grief. Okay, yeah, no, it works. Okay, all right, it creates each one's on a layer. Okay, got it. All right, let's drop this. I dropped this color here. What is our color code? Oh, that's right. Yep, I had the color code wrong. Okay, let's fix that. All right, and now we'll try it again and see if the chroma key works. All right, ready? Here we go.
Oh yeah!
No, still not working. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, hold on. Let me reboot this again. Terminate. Close EU. Yeah, no, don't need to save that. I'll run this bat file. Okay, and now we will go to
Oh yeah!
okay, that is still seems to be the same. Hold on a second. Oh, you know what? Hold on, I forgot to refresh the cache on this. This is really weird with this. Refresh cache of current page. Okay.
Oh yeah!
I see text, but the RON is gone now. It's like the GIF isn't playing correctly. Let's try that again.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Okay, we're making some progress here. All right, hold on. We're gonna try. I'm gonna set up a thing where I can like send it a example just so we can make sure this test works. So let's do like this. So we'll send it. The Ron is gonna donate he's gonna donate our full. What are we looking for? $2,500, right? Whoa, what is this? No, get that out of here. Get that out of here.
Oh yeah!
Did it say Ron 2500? Hold on. How if we do the Ron, not just Ron? Also, don't like this font at all. This what is it? Where did this font come
Oh
from?
yeah!
Legible. All right, we need to pick something different here. Or we need to up the size significantly. Where is it getting this font from? Like, that is not a default system font. Let's try this again. Yeah, the
Oh
fuzzy. Yeah,
yeah!
that's my problem too. I can't read this. What if I? Oh, hold on. Where's the thing? Tiltify. Make it bigger. I'll just kind of center it here.
Oh yeah!
A little better, but still. All right, let's see here. Okay.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, the round animation is not working now. It's because the chroma. If I turn off the chroma key, it works, but with the chroma key, it's not working. I don't know why. All right, just gonna figure out. We need a better font, and we need to fix this chroma key thing. All right, I probably have to do the. It's probably not save. I keep forgetting this weird thing. It caches. Refresh cache current page. We're gonna refresh that. Okay. Update that. All right, let's try this again.
Oh yeah!
That font is still awful, and it still isn't playing. Hold on, let me reboot the node server again. Yeah, go away. Try again. Okay.
Oh yeah!
No, still not playing. All right, hold on. We're gonna do. I need to just quick screen cap this. Okay. Hold on. I need the snipping tool. Get up here.
Oh yeah!
Okay. Get rid of this. Close you. I'm still very. This still feels cool. Like I love. This is what I live for. I love programming and stuff. I don't even mind bashing my head against stuff like this. I just think it's so much fun to make computers do what you want. Feels like a superpower. Well, I got to give Streamlabs credit. Their little chroma key thing is very nice, and finding one that finding like a little way to do it here is harder than I expected. Okay, so I guess we got donation sounds mostly sorted here. So then if we can get the GIF working, then all we have left is the Nightbot. I guess I can take a pause and go look at Nightbot real quick. Where is Nightbot at? Nightbot. Nightbot.tv. Dashboard. Are we which account is this logged into? This is the problem I ran into before. It was too many different accounts. So we want it on our YouTube account, right? Commands. But where's our bot? Dashboard. Oh, I think I deleted one of the things I did was just deleted the command. Here we go. Okay, hold on a second. Charity every 15 minutes. Enable. Okay, we're going to edit this. Update. Okay, we got our timer. Now we have to actually let it join the channel again. Let's see. Nightbot online. Setting up. Okay, and then I have to think I have to make it a moderator on my channel. So we'll go to my studio. YouTube Studio. Where are my moderators? Where do I set that up? I don't do that very often. Community moderation, user management, standard moderators. Let's see, Nightbot. Oh, there's too many. Any of these could be a scam. Okay, I don't like that. All right. Integrations. No, I don't want a Discord. Oh, this is like a flaw in their system. They have it. I need a exact. So some people have spoofed Nightbot. It looks like on YouTube. So there's like several fake versions. Let's see. Exact YouTube Nightbot channel link. Hold on. Leave channel. Join channel. Wait, what channel is it joining? Settings. Connections. No connections. What if I? Because it sounds like all these commands sound like. Yeah, I'm afraid to add this person. I'm afraid there's too many. Like if you search Nightbot under channel or under users on YouTube, there's a whole bunch of them. Okay. All right. Well, we'll pause that for a second. Hold on. Close this. All right. We'll go back to this again. Okay. I need to figure out What is its channel ID? Okay.
Oh yeah!
Refresh cache.
Oh yeah!
Okay, I can see the GIF's starting to play, but now it's like all squished. All right, let's see. Okay, that should be fixable. Ron extreme close up. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let me reboot this again. Refresh. Okay.
Oh yeah!
It's still cropped really weird. Hold on, maybe it's cached in my node server. Hold on. Rerun you. And run this again. Oh, now it's not working at all.
Oh yeah!
Oh, that's looking better.
Oh yeah!
Okay, I just need to shift the text down now. Okay, that's easy. Hold on a second. Let me find where is the Z or the Y setting for that. Okay, I might have to hold on. I might have to refresh again. Let's check.
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Okay, so I have to refresh this cache again.
Oh yeah!
Okay, well now that didn't work. Now he's bigger.
Oh yeah!
The Ron just keeps getting bigger. All right, hold on. Let's do refresh the cache again. Back to our test trigger.
Oh yeah!
Okay, well now he's just huge. Okay. All right. All right, let's try something. Okay, we need to. All right, I have to remember to refresh the cache. I don't know if I have to reboot the node stream or not. Let's see.
Oh yeah!
Okay, I think I do because it's still going over the top, even though I changed some of the settings. All right, let's run that again. Try this again.
Oh yeah!
Nope, still doing that. All right, let's try refreshing the cache again.
Oh yeah!
There it goes. How's that for legibility, guys?
Oh yeah!
Do I need to make the text the
Oh,
font bigger for it,
yeah!
or is that pretty good? Actually, I think I can shrink this whole thing down a little bit, but I might want to scale it back up again to make, or I might shrink the whole thing, but then make the font bigger. Might be a good way to go. All right, let's test this.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, I kind of want to like try doubling the size of the font and see how that feels. Where's my font setting? All right, let's try doubling it. This might be too extreme, but oh, it's good as it was. I don't need to change it. You guys can read it clearly. Okay, sweet. All right, so now let's try Nightbot. Let's see if it's just in there. Let me see if Nightbot just is secretly in here. Let's do a give it a command. Let's see if Nightbot reacts to that. No, it didn't. Okay. It's like has it been lurking this whole time? It never left. Okay, so now the ultimate test to see if this is actually working, though, is I need to make another donation to make sure that this is really working. So let me do that. Go back. Let's see. Tiltify. Right, close users. Too many. Okay, close this one. With this one. Close this one. Go to here. All right, so now I'm going to make a real donation again. I'm going to see if this works. Okay. Okay, so this is going to go through. I'm going to change the name to make sure it's not cached. So we're going to go KG testing, be for $1. PayPal. Nightbot. Nightbot's there, but it's saying via St. Jude's. That's not in my message. That's not my command message. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Hold on a second. I gotta update it. Okay, hold on. Timers. Okay, charity. Yep, it's just an old one. Okay, help raise funds for Alzheimer's Association, and we'll just put a link right to the donate page instead of going to Sim Settlements first. Oh, I forgot I was in the middle of a donation though. I just got distracted. Okay, let's see if our alert works. Close you. We don't want to do a passkey. Stop with the passkey. No, it didn't ask you for a passkey. this donation doesn't want to go through. Try this again. PayPal. Okay, here we go. Here's the test. Paying.
Oh yeah!
Hey, we got there. It's alerting like 5 times on the screen, but I'll take it. All right. So now, okay, so branding, overlays. Screw you, Streamlabs. We'll make our own overlay with blackjack and hookers. All right. We don't want, okay, so I don't need. Wait a second, which one's the alert box? Alert box is down in the right. Event list, top right. That one, okay, the top left one, I want to keep. The alert box I don't need. I just want to hide it though, just so in case I want to bring it back. I'll just drag it off screen over here, down in the corner. Okay. Okay, I'll do one more test.
Oh yeah!
Nice, nice. Okay, we're making progress. All right, so now we've got to solve our Nightbot chat message. So we need to go donate now. So it should be. Oh, hold on. That's not it. It's this one. And then go to Nightbot. Update. Okay, there's that. And then we're going to do, I got to update the commands. Edit. Okay. All right, we've updated Nightbot. Can somebody try a exclamation point charity in chat and see if it works? See if it says Alzheimer's Association now instead of St. Jude's.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Hey, we got it. We've completed all of our missions. So the nastiest one still is switching which pole is on screen, but I'm happy we just have a basic solution. So I got to document this for myself now so I don't forget. So we made a little app here. And by the way, we were able to power out that app that quickly with Codex. If you guys have not tried Codex yet, I've been shouting it from the rooftops lately. It's amazing. It is OpenAI's coding assistant is super, super fast at looking up stuff like APIs and things. Let's see here. Test donation sounds. Okay, we got that sorted. We got our Nightbot sorted. And we need to start of stream, launch node server. I'm just going to put a link to it. And relay to Streamlabs via browser source on our local setup. Okay, there we go. We got it all working. Okay, so now let me close some of this stuff here. Hold on a second. One more test.
Oh yeah!
Okay, there's our test. I'm gonna grab this test URL that we've got here. Test URL. Boop. Close you. Close Nightbot. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this and this. Okay. And now, okay. So if I could solve the poll problem, That would be the best way to go here, because then I could quickly swap this. I mean, the fact that hold on, we're gonna do one more test on here. So if I go to character quirk, save changes, I'm just gonna double check that just doing a quick hide and show of the overlay, and it updates. Okay, that's not bad. That's really easy, and I can move it. I guess if I move this up toward the top here, it'll be easy to find tomorrow. So I'm not like digging around trying to find these things, because that's always one of the challenges. Okay, so then what I need to do here is we need to hide the poll and make sure that that works so that we can bring it up later. Oops. And then reshow it. There we go. And the poll's hidden. Okay. This could be more elegant. Like, I think if I had more time to write this software, I wish I'd have started this a couple weeks ago, but I've been very busy lately, because it'd been nice to have this as a single. I could make my own little hub dashboard for this now. Maybe next year. All right, cool. Thank you guys for joining me. We have solved our technical difficulties, and I think we are ready for stream tomorrow. I will bring up. I guess the thing I have to solve still, which I am going to have to do it with those guys tomorrow, is I got to figure out how to route. Because what it's going to be Wes Johnson and Leary are going to join me, and I will probably be audio, but they usually do camera, so I might be able to like put their faces on screen, like on either side of the polls or something. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out tomorrow. For now, though, we're going to call it a night. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. And remember, we're doing it super early, so it's not my usual stream time. We're doing it at 4 p.m. Central Time, 5 p.m. Eastern. So hopefully more folks can catch it, because I know that's a lot of folks in the EU and further away can't usually make it when we do my normal streams. So this will hopefully make it so everybody can be there for the whole time. So sorry I wasn't engaging in chat, guys. Had coding to do. So thank you guys for joining me. We will see you tomorrow.